Counterfeit Ozempic continues to surface in the U.S. supply chain, and both pharmacists and patients play a critical role in keeping our drugs safe. The FDA recently seized dozens of illegitimate Ozempic pens labeled with an authentic lot number, but carrying small labeling differences, most notably the expiration and lot text printed to the left of the expiration date and lot number rather than above it. These new findings follow multiple counterfeit discoveries in 2023 and 2025, including thousands of seized pens, some of which contained unverified or non-sterile needles. This is where pharmacists' vigilance and the tools available to them can make a measurable difference. In late 2024, a community pharmacy in Arkansas identified a suspicious pen and quarantined it. The Board of Pharmacy investigator quickly used the National Association of Board of Pharmacy's product verification platform, Pulse, to authenticate it. The tool confirmed the product was counterfeit, allowing the pharmacy to continue quarantining it and notify the state board. That rapid verification protected patients and led to action against the criminal distributor involved. Pharmacists can protect patients by only purchasing Ozempic through authorized distributors, not the gray market, checking all Ozempic pens for proper label placement, and when in question, calling in the Board of Pharmacy to verify quarantined medicine, especially if it arrives through a secondary source. In fact, at this point, Novo is specifically recommending pharmacies don't acquire Ozempic through secondary wholesalers, as this is at least the second known incident of counterfeit product entering the supply chain that way. If you have such product now, it should be considered suspicious and quarantined for DSCSA verification. Even with this incident, counterfeits in the legitimate U.S. supply chain are very rare. For patients, the safest step is still to obtain Ozempic only from a state-licensed pharmacy, and to double-check the labeling before use, especially if the pen's expiration and lot text appears out of place. When in doubt, contact your pharmacist if anything looks unfamiliar or inconsistent, and do not use the product until it's been verified. By combining routine visual checks with serialization tools like Pulse, and by helping patients understand how to recognize legitimate medicine, we can maintain the integrity of the U.S. drug supply. Keep up to date with counterfeit medicine news at our website, safemedicines.org.